Hey everyone! Are you tired of using the same old emojis in Excel? Did you know that there's a secret menu of emojis hidden in Excel that you can access with just a few simple steps? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a hidden formula to unlock the secret emojis menu in Excel.
To access the secret emojis menu, you need to open Excel, click on a cell, and use the following hidden formula. Click on the Windows logo key in your keyboard simultaneously with the dot key. The secret emojis menu now revealed. You will find big number of emojis with different colors that can be used in any situation. You can even reveal this hidden menu in any program in Windows. Yes. Many options available. Let's choose few emojis. Very easy and simple. Let's test these emojis in a simple use case using an Excel formula. Formula done. And working perfectly with our secret emojis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ideas worth trillions.